I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by putting the watch on correctly, snug, about 1 to 2 finger widths above your wrist crease so the sensors read well. Next, open the Heart app on the watch. Make sure your iPhone shows health permissions granted because that lets data sync. Once done, confirm Watch OS and iOS are up to date and wrist detection plus Bluetooth are enabled, so measurements are accurate and sent to your phone without delays. You tap the Heart app and hold still while the watch samples your pulse. Typically 15 to 30 seconds gives a stable BPM. Then, for active monitoring, start a workout session. Continuous tracking records heart rate changes and helps you spot spikes during exertion. After that, make sure to open the iPhone Health app and go to Heart. There you can view charts, 24-hour averages, and trends over weeks, so you understand how measurements change over time. You interpret numbers by comparing resting versus active BPM. Resting values reflect baseline fitness, while exercise values show exertion. Make sure notifications for high, low, and irregular rhythm are on in the watch app so you receive alerts. If readings are missing or erratic, clean the back sensor with a lint-free cloth, reseat the watch snugly, restart both devices, and verify no skin coverings block the sensor. If problems persist, visit Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.